Welcome to Pencil Art Teen. In this video, I will be teaching you how to draw a little girl. Except here, we won't be drawing in realism. Instead, we will be drawing more cartoon-like. Just so you know, I drew this for a special review video on a channel called House of Productivity. There, they give tips and reviews on many things. Sound interesting? Click on the tab above to visit their channel, or click on the link in the description below. First, start with the shape of the head. I decided to make the little girl's face more soft and rounded. Make her look like she has cute, chubby cheeks. If you prefer, you can also make her face a little more chiseled or more defined. It really is your choice. With the hair, I decided to give her some messy bangs. Try to draw a lot more lightly with your pencil so you can easily erase any mistakes and try again. Just remember that hair isn't perfect, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. Messiness will make your drawing look just a little more realistic. Just go with whatever feels right. To make this little girl look even more cute and adorable, I gave her some pigtails being held or tied by two separate bows or ribbons. Start with two small circles, then give them wings. Pretend you're drawing little sweets. That's what I always think when I'm drawing bows. Again, even the bows are optional. If you don't want your little girl to have bows, you can just draw hair ties. Do this by either drawing lines following her head shape or make two little rectangles. Moving on with facial expressions, I wanted her to have a small mouth with a big smile. Do this by drawing a curve, almost like a wide letter U or an unfinished sideways letter C. With her eyes, I didn't want them too circular, so instead, I drew two soft oval shapes as her eyes. Add a few curved lines just above her top eye line for eyelashes. In her eyes, I drew some small circles to represent the sparkles or shimmers in her cute little eyes. Make a very big black colored circle in each eye to make them look even more innocent and childlike, filled with wonder. Nose is just a small letter U, with two upside down letter U's on each side of the first U. That was confusing. Good thing you can see the drawing. For the eyebrows, draw two curved lines following the shape of the eyes. And there you have a face. Easy, right? Don't worry. Just take your time and pause the video anytime. Right about here, you can add in her neck. That head needs a neck, right? It's not floating. That thing right under the neck is the collar for her top, which we will get to shortly. Before that, let's get back to her hair. Here, I wanted her hair to look a little messy or effortless, so I went with soft beach waves. To do this, start by placing the tip of your pencil at the side of the bow. Then draw little waves going downwards up to whatever length you want her hair to be. And her hair can be as thick as you want. The waves should be soft and light. Try this a couple of times first for better results. Repeat this process with the other side. We are almost there. Now all she needs is a body and clothes. Following the collar, make poofed sleeves on each side, with lace-like material on each end. We are going to draw her in a type of dress that a little doll would have. After the sleeves, draw in her arms. I drew her arms going behind her back to make it look like she was hiding something, because it fit for the purpose of the book review in House of Productivity. You can do this too if you want. Then again, it is easier to just hide her hands so that we don't need to draw them anymore. Good thinking. From here, you can make the dress in any style you want and add any other details suitable. You can make it poofy like a cupcake, or more boyish, or any other style. Make it in any style you want and let your creativity take control. Sorry you can't see me drawing the bottom of her dress. While recording, I had no idea the sketchbook was out of frame. My bad. Now we have a little girl. Good job! We can be done here if you want. But I'm going to keep this going with coloring pencils and bring this girl to life with some colors. To make her very girly and doll-like, I went with a classic pink dress by using both light pink and dark pink, almost purple type colors to color in her dress. The technique I used for almost the whole drawing is I started by coloring the chosen area with a lighter shade very lightly, and then either press harder or use a darker shade over it, along with other areas to create more depth and shadowing. You can make yours in any color you want. Go with the process and have fun with it. Unleash your creativity. In my mind, I had envisioned a small kawaii anime girl, so I searched the internet for more inspiration. However, instead of copying or following the picture's example, my hands drew their own version of a little girl. Explains why I said we would be drawing a little more cartoon-like in this video. So all of this is purely original, all me. I didn't copy anyone's work and am happy with the end result. Here is my finished product. To learn more about me and my drawings, visit our website, itsthefam.com. I will be leaving a link in the description below.
It's the Fam provides many reviews and/or tips on different categories such as art, culture, entertainment, health, beauty, home, cooking, money, productivity, and travel. If you want to receive or remain updated on the new blogs, subscribe to our website to be notified. You can read blogs written by each member of the family. Just click on any one of them and learn something new. If you search It's the Fam on Google, 3 sites should show up. These being our website, Etsy shop, and Instagram page. Please support us by sharing this to your friends and loved ones.
I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so you can be notified when a new video comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.